Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Professional Soldering Station New Model. We are going to check out top 10 best professional soldering station in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this professional soldering station, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
X-Tronic Model 9060 PROX * 200 watt stained glass soldering iron station /4 soldering tips * temp 392 degrees Fahrenheit 842 degrees Fahrenheit / 200 degrees Celsius 450 degrees Celsius * degs / deg of conversion * 0 to 30-minute sleep timer. The X-Tronic Model 9060 PROX Digital.
Top 9.
SUGON T36 Professional Soldering Station 2 Sec Heat Quickly, equipped with 3 JBC soldering iron tip. 110 V soldering iron station with temperature control 392 to 842 soldering iron tip replacement stand. T36 is an easy-to-operate high-performance precision 85 with soldering stations. We will be additionally equipped with 3 JBC soldering iron tips, C115,000, 101 tip, C115,000, 112 tip, C115,000, 118 tip.
Top 8.
YIHUA 8786 Di2 in 1 hot air rework and soldering iron station with deg / degs, cool / hot air conversion, digital temperature correction and sleep function. A dual system with advanced designs. This station combines soldering station and hot air rework station for versatile uses when it provides dual display system and dual power switch and other advanced software functions. Comply with UL Standard US. Important evaluation for safety electric appliances. Intelligent temperature control. With the high-end Precision PID program, the station can monitor and correct the actual temperatures at high speed with fast temperature compensation to provide the accuracy that your projects ask for.
Top 7.
YIHUA 862BD plus SMD ESD Safe 2 in 1 soldering iron hot air rework station deg / degs with multiple functions. Zilog dual-core microcomputer processor. This unit heats up quickly, works well. Features 3 LED display system. You can easily change the digital readouts back and forth, centigrade to Fahrenheit, for the soldering iron and hot air temperatures with easy steps. PD Temperature Control Technology. This unit features temperature control technology, which the program will cycle every 20 milliseconds to.
Top 6.
YIHUA 853D2, a USB SMD hot air rework soldering iron station. DC power supply 015V02A with 5V USB charging port and 35-volt DC voltage test meter. 1 = 3. You now get 3 professionally integrated stations in 1 compact package. The 853D series comes equipped with a soldering iron station, a hot air rework station, and a DC power supply with voltmeter mode. All 3 stations can be used simultaneously or independently. Specifications: you can set the soldering station from 392.
Top 5.
YIHUA 948 IU4 in 1 hot air rework soldering iron and desoldering suction tin gun station with suction pickup pen deg / degs heat. 1 unit, 4 tools. This unit integrates a 75-watt desoldering station, a powerful 650-watt hot air rework station, a 60-watt soldering station and a suction pen into 1 unit for more choices. Intelligent heat control. PID program implanted to give temperature control at super high speed to deliver accuracy. Customizable functions and many extra accessories. Deg / degf.
Top 4.
Blackjack Solderwerks B3000 Multi-Pro Professional Soldering Station.
Top 3.
YIHUA 862BD plus SMD ESD Safe 2-in-1 Soldering Iron Hot Air Rework Station DEG/DEGs with multiple functions. Zilog Dual-Core Microcomputer Processor. This unit heats up quickly, works well. Features 3 LED display system. You can easily change the digital readouts back and forth, centigrade to Fahrenheit, for the soldering iron and hot air temperatures with easy steps. PD Temperature Control Technology. This unit features temperature control technology, which the program will cycle every 20 milliseconds to detect the actual temperature of the soldering iron's heating element. Quickly correct it with a rapid retube.
Top 2.
X-Tronic 4010PROX * state-of-the-art * Platinum Series * 75-watt soldering iron station * features a calibration funk, 0 to 30-minute sleep funk, C/F funk, unit lock funk, and 3 temperature presets. This complete kit includes 75-watt output soldering station power unit, 60 watts for soldering iron, and 15 watts for mini motherboard in soldering iron. 60-watt soldering iron with ergonomic grip, 5 extra soldering tips, solder sucker, pinpoint tweezers, tube of 60/40th solder, non-slip silicone base mat for soldering station with tool and parts holders, and
Top 1.
X-Tronic 7040PROX * 775-watt * small footprint hot air rework and soldering iron station * digital temp controls, C/F conversion, calibration funk, 0 to 30 min sleep, auto cool down, mute/unmute sound. The 7040PROX complete kit includes a 775-watt main power unit, a 75-watt soldering iron with a deluxe soldering iron holder that has a brass sponge tip cleaner enclosed in it, with a built-in space for the included wet sponge. The hot air gun is a 700-watt brushless fan type with an auto cool down function that trips when placed in the side holder.
You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.